If you want to connect your Namecheap domain to a Vercel site, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step in a simple and safe way. By the end, your custom domain will point to your Vercel project, and both the root version and the www version will be set up correctly. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your Vercel project dashboard. Once you're inside your project, look for the Domains section. This is where Vercel lets you connect custom domains to your deployment. Click into the Domains area and then enter the Namecheap domain you want to connect. After typing in your domain, click Add. Vercel will usually give you an option to add both the root domain and the www version. Make sure you select that option because this helps your site work properly whether someone visits yourdomain.com or www.yourdomain.com. Choosing both versions is the best practice, and it makes your setup more complete and professional. Now switch over to your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, go to Domain List, find the domain you just added to Vercel, and click Manage next to it. This takes you to the settings page for that domain. From here, open Advanced DNS. This is the section where you'll add the records Vercel gives you. Inside Advanced DNS, click Add New Record. For the first record, select A record. Then set the host field to @ the @ symbol represents your main root domain. Now go back to Vercel and copy the A record value or IP address that Vercel provides. Return to Namecheap and paste that value into the value field. Once everything looks correct, click the green check mark to save it. At this point, you've connected the root domain record, but you still need to add the wws version. So stay in Namecheap and click Add New Record again. This time, choose CNAME Record. Set the host to WWS. Then go back to Vercel and copy the CNAME value it provides. Paste that into the value or target field in Namecheap. After that, click the green check mark again to save the record. Now the DNS records are in place, but DNS updates can take a little time to spread across the internet. So head back to Vercel and refresh the domain settings. Vercel should check the records and verify that your domain is pointing correctly. If it doesn't show as connected immediately, give it a few minutes and refresh again. Sometimes it takes a little longer depending on your registrar and network. If everything is entered correctly, your Namecheap domain should now be connected to your Vercel site. Your root domain and your www domain should both point to the same project, which gives your site a more polished and reliable setup. And that's it. You've successfully connected a Namecheap domain to a Vercel site. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software or website you want to learn next.